Guys, looking today at this microwave, cooking up some noodles for 1 minute. See how the microwave is going ding. And that microwave is kind of fast. And I videotaped it, and it makes the ding sound. And there's no digital numbers on the microwave. I mean, there's no numbers on the microwave, but there's some over there. That microwave is going right now. And then it turns the light on. Once you start turning it, it turns the light on and it starts cooking. It is only on, ours is only on when you open this door. I cooked it.
Check it. I'm gonna check it.
And I push it. Oh,
just push it open so we
Wait,
can check
wait.
it. It's push it. It seems like it might be too long.
Yeah, it might be too long. Let me see. Yeah, there's noodles cooked up. I got the ones from the restaurant. Okay, now I'm gonna close it.
Wait, I'm not sure it's done yet, so just wait.
And just
You want them a little bit warmer? Or is that okay?
that's okay. Okay. All right. See you later.